She shoves her whole head under.
Yeah. She's so, oh, it's so gorgeous.
Oh yeah, spreading everything around, okay.
Oh yeah, they make a mess. They're very messy creatures. Is that good, is it?
Say hello?
Is that good,
Squawk
Cookie?
with me? 2 blinks. Okay. Hello is 2 blinks.
Oh, Indy wants another go. Come on, Indy, you can go again.
No.
You can go again. Does Indy want
Taking
more
his bloody
buffies?
mail, taking his bloody
Mango! Mango!
Does Mango want a bath? No? You gonna be a dirty haggis?
Yeah, she's going to be dirty haggis.
No, Cookie wants another go. Bless you.
Didn't hear that, that was so quiet.
Indy's a very quiet bird.
Amazing. They are so gorgeous.
There you go. Gives them something to do for the rest of the afternoon now. Sorting their feathers out now.
Yeah.
You gonna go?